Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showcasing you guys how to fix your Palworlds and to make sure it doesn't crash. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this hotfix. The first thing we're going to be doing is opening up our Steam. We'll right click on Palworld, manage, browse, local files. Okay, so once you're in this directory, we're going to be going to Pal, content and Paks. Make sure to not delete the Pal windows.pak, it's really important to run the game. But you can go into the LogicMods, and if you have any mods installed, either delete them or take them out and put them somewhere onto your desktop or save somewhere in a folder so you can get them back into if you still want them. Next thing we're going to be doing is going back into the Pal directory, and here you have binaries, content and plugins. We're going to be opening up the binaries Win64. Okay, so why you're crashing is going to be because of the Unreal Engine, so we're going to have to delete the Unreal Engine 4. So how do you do that? Okay. So in this folder, as you guys can see, we have multiple files, but the files we're going to have to delete is the Unreal 4. So what we're going to be deleting is the Unreal 4 settings, the Unreal 4 DLL, very important. We're going to be removing the README, the channel log, and we're going to be removing the mods folder, alright? These are the ones you want to remove out of this tab. Once you have done that, then press delete, so it's gone. Okay, once all these files are gone, you're able to get out of this folder, okay, and try to run your Palworld. See if this works. If this still did not work, there's another way to fix it. So, if it didn't work, what we're going to be doing is opening manage, again, browse local files back into the file directory. Most of the time, if it's not working, it's because you are running another mod thingy like Vortex, right? Some people have Vortex installed, and Vortex uses another folder. So what you're going to be doing is typing in mods, okay? If you see any mods folders or anything or mods in here related, make sure to delete it. Okay, that's really important. Also, if you use Cursed Forge or Forge, you can type in Forge, see if that works or something pops up, make sure to delete that as well. Or see if you have Cursed Forge. There's a lot of different ways to install mods, right? So make sure that every single mod installation program doesn't have it somewhere saved in this directory, okay? This is very important. Once you have deleted that, then go back and try to launch your game again. You don't have to reinstall your game for this to work, okay? Don't worry about it. Just go back in and press play and see if it works. So if this worked for you guys, then make sure to drop a follow and a like, and don't forget to comment. If you have any questions, of course, and you can always reach out to me on Discord. I'm showing it right now on screen. Make sure to add me if you have any further questions or if you have any other problems. I'll also be making more videos on hotfixes and other stuff like that. So I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a good one.